Oh my God.
No, that's that snake.
Oh, big snake?
Oh,
Right out the deck.
then she walked outside to the shovel and killed to deal with
She banged on the door, on the window, and goes, and so she has to literally catch my dad.
Rattler?
What? Yeah, they get a, they live in,
That's a big one.
unfortunately, we live in Round.
Well, but yeah.
Well, they live right over here.
You know where, no, they're bad and dark green, and they'll shake you, and their head's shaped like, they're mean. A timber rat, they'll shake you.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.